the Royal Chapel of St. Louis near Paris, the 22-year-old Duchess Marie-Therese of Wurtemberg is married to Prince Henri of France. In this chapel are buried generations of the bridegroom's ancestors, for the 24-year-old prince is the son of the Comte de Paris, pretender to the French throne. But the living guests are no less illustrious, for all the royalty, ex-royalty and nobility of the continent are present to watch the wedding of this young couple, to whom they are all closely or distantly related. Princess Beatrix of the Netherlands represents one of the few reigning houses, while among the ex-kings is Umberto of Italy. 3,000 guests make this the most blue-blooded gathering Republican France has seen for years.